Using tuples. Using tuples. A tuple is a sequence of immutable Python objects, which means tuples cannot be changed like lists. Actually, tuples are like lists. The differences between tuples and lists are the tuples cannot be changed, and tuples use parentheses, whereas lists use square brackets. Note, there is a way to change the value of tuples, which called overwriting. We will see this now. Let's see how. First, go to the text editor brackets. To use tuple, just create any variable such as tup, equal sign, parentheses, and put any element such as 200, 50. It's just like a list, but we use parentheses instead of brackets, and there is no quotation marks as you can see in the screen. Okay, now print top, and print top element 0. Also print top element 1. As you can see here, when we print top, we use the square brackets to access elements in the tuple. After that, try on terminal. Cool, tuple printed well in the terminal. Okay, right now we will learn how to use for loop with tuples. It's exactly like what we did with lists. So type for tup in tup, colon, then print tup. Don't forget the indent, please. It's better to comment out the prints above, because we don't want the program to print them. Then try that on terminal and see where it goes. Cool? The program prints the for loop with tuple very well. Right, so let's learn something new. Because tuple cannot be changed, we only have a way to modify tuples, which called overriding. To do that, just type the tuple name that you had, tup, equal sign, parentheses, and put any element that you like. You can put any numbers. After that, just print tup and try that in terminal. Nice. Did you see that? It's modified already. Don't forget that, it's called overriding. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.